So installing the second window, and again with every project there's a little bit of things off. One thing we had to do on this one is we put some trim pieces, so not necessarily shims, but basically this piece is another 2x4 we added in just to give it, to fill that space. It kind of thickens up this beam, makes it more solid.
Eric and Dad are currently installing a window for the greenhouse. So
but we have it resting. Now the one thing we did is we had to tack this one on the bottom, but on the side we're dealing with a gap here. So what we're going to do is we're going to close it up at the top as best we can with the clamp, tack that down, tack the rest just in place, and then we'll fill that in with some spray foam.